Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Stila Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner that I got here in the shade Stingray. And this is one of the products that was actually chosen for me in my Ipsy Glam Bag X. And I was not too happy to get another black eyeliner pencil in Ipsy. But that's besides the point of this video. I really like the brand Stila, so I'm hoping this will be a fantastic eyeliner. It retails for $22, and at that price point, it should be, because I definitely don't think you need to spend a lot of money on eyeliner, especially a black stick eyeliner. This does say that it won't budge for 12 hours once it sets down, but you also still have the ability to smudge it out before it sets. It's also cruelty free. So one other thing to keep in mind, it's the twist up, but it does not twist back down, which I don't like that design because I'm so used to a twist up being able to twist back down. So I just feel like I am going to instinctively twist this up and then I won't be able to twist it back down. So I'm really trying to resist right now. So let's start out with a swatch. Okay, I mean it glides on easily, but it's not a very dark black. And for the fun of it, let's see how it smudges and blends out. I mean, I wouldn't say that it blends or smudges. I would say that it kind of erases away. So if I wanted to like smoke this along the lower lash line, I'm not so sure it actually would stay. You know, let's go ahead and just try it out. So I'm going to start out applying it onto the lower lash line. Let's also see if it sticks in that waterline for fun, even though I don't wear eyeliner in my waterline. It is applying and sticking onto the waterline easily right away. Now I'm also just going to take some along the lower lash line, and let's see how this blends out with a brush. So just picking up a small little angled blending brush. Yeah, it's weird. It doesn't really blend. It just kind of comes off. Like you can kind of blend it a little bit, but not how I was hoping and expecting. And as it's blending out, it definitely looks gray, almost a little hint of blue to it. So not a super dark true black. I mean, the shade Stingray, it's not like it's called black. But so now I'll go ahead and try it on the top lash. I mean, also, it's like too intense for me. I feel like it closes my eye kind of, but on other people, I do like that smoked out black eyeliner, and it looks pretty cool being on the waterline as well. It's just kind of more grungy than me and my style. But I mean, my boyfriend's in a rock and roll band. I do have the occasions where I could pull something off like this. It just feels so out of my comfort zone, but if I did want to do that look, I can achieve it with this eyeliner. But so more in my comfort zone is a black eyeliner along the top lash line. So let's see how that is. It's definitely gentle, glides on. It doesn't poke the eye. Easy to apply. So it's nice. I went over it a few times, so it's looking more of that full black color. But just look at how much smaller this eye looks on me now compared to without it. That's why if I'm gonna wear a black eyeliner, it's gonna be the top or the bottom, not both together for my eye shape. But it's fine. It's a fine classic black eyeliner. I don't think it's any better or more special than eyeliners that I get at the dollar store, Shop Miss A, $1 versions of pretty much this exact same thing that's going to give the exact same look. So now let's see if enough time, see, like I instinctively want to twist it back down, but I can't, and I don't like that about this. But so now, as I was saying, let's see if this is set down. I mean, even though a lot of time has passed, yeah, trying to like smudge it here, it's erasing away again. That is bad. For an eyeliner that claims to be waterproof, stay all day, last 12 hours, like how long is, like that is crazy. It is coming off. And that is a quality that I feel like those inexpensive eyeliners don't do. Like they'll actually stay in place and you can rub your finger against it and nothing will budge. But in this case, it is literally coming off. So I am not impressed by this. I think there are a lot of qualities to this that are not good for an eyeliner. So I'm not a fan of this. Pretty disappointed. It's not stay all day. It doesn't retract. It's fine, like easy enough to apply, but not worth $22. So bummer about that being kind of a miss of a product in my Ipsy Glam Bag X, which I pay so much money to get. So I'm disappointed, but if you were considering buying this, I would say there's better options out there. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.